Hello friend, today I'm gonna share you how to edit tricks using this app. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials. Now let's start. Click new project, then input your video. Before you start make a video like this, you are acting that you falling into the highest place. Adjust or reposition your video. Click overlay, then input your video or photo. Click second clip, then find mask, then select the effect you want to use. Then adjust the video, find the best position to get the best result. Hope you like this simple tutorial and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials. See you in my next tutorial. Thanks.